Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting straight to the map. Open Dead Rails, enter the session with your locomotive, and bring up the world map. Once done, enable the distance overlay and waypoint layer so you can read direct measurements. Next, click the Mexico station label and set it as your active target. That creates a route line and distance readout. Do this now, because without an active waypoint, the game won't show the precise mileage or ETA you need. With Mexico selected, examine the route line and read the numerical distance. The map shows straight line and track following measurements. Then place intermediate waypoints where tracks curve or split. Waypoints force the game to compute a realistic track distance. Meanwhile, check your locomotive's current speed and note gradients or speed limits along the route. These affect travel time and effective distance due to routing. Once you have distance and speed data, you can calculate an ETA or adjust pacing for accuracy. Now drive the route while watching the HUD distance tick down toward Mexico. Follow your waypoints and obey signals so the map's distance matches actual track progress. When the marker flips to reached, note the final distance and time for your record. If the map or distance reading is wrong, first toggle the map layers off and on. If that fails, relog to the session or validate game files. That fixes corrupted overlays most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.